big is the ocean? What do you guys think? When you look out, like tonight when we're on the beach and you look out at the ocean, how big does it look? We made it. Good morning. Today is going to be such a fun day. Today's video is going to be a homeschool day in the life video for you guys. So many people have been asking about what we do for our kids' schooling. So before we get into this fun, amazing day, I want to introduce you guys to another homeschooling family who lives halfway across the world in England. They are called Real Family Journey. They are literally the sweetest people. Their channel is mostly about homeschooling, but they are also a vegan family. They have 2 young kids, and I'm just really inspired by Jo, who is the mom. Jo likes to get the kids in the kitchen with her. They also do lots of hands-on things at home. They like to get into nature to learn, and if you're looking for homeschooling or unschooling inspiration, you'll definitely find it on their channel. So I'm gonna link her Homeschool Day in the Life video below, so when you're done watching this one, make sure you go and check out Real Family Journey's YouTube channel. If you enjoy my content, you're really gonna love them too. We are registered with a private school in Florida, like an umbrella school, which means that we are not affiliated with the state and we don't have to adhere to state curriculum. So we are basically unschoolers. I say that kind of loosely because we do structured things. We have a homeschool group, we go to a nature study group sometimes, and today is such an exciting day. It is the biggest supermoon of the year. Who's excited? So I have organized a full moon viewing beach bonfire. We're bringing out the telescopes. We're gonna make some vegan s'mores, and I think some people are bringing instruments. It's just gonna be so much fun. Good job. Goodness, so many funny faces.
Come and see them.
Okay, baby.
Take a video of my friend.
Okay, baby.
Right here.
You got it, Nana.
I make a video.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. To make an emergency run to the health food store for vegan marshmallows because our local grocery store does not carry vegan marshmallows. Surprise, surprise, right? So me and Ren, hi Ren! Just me and Ren are on our way to the store for some marshmallows, and I might go to the party supply store for like some glow sticks or something, because not just because they're fun, I want to like kind of give my kids like a glow stick necklace so I can see them at the beach, because depending on how bright the moon is or how cloudy it is, it's kind of hard to see your kids on the beach at night, not gonna lie. Sometimes it freaks me out just a little bit. I have more kids than most people I know, and so I'm constantly counting even in broad daylight, like 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, Dylan, Flynn, Reef, Ren. And on the beach, when it's just like a bunch of little heads running around down by the water or catching ghost crabs, it's like, where are my children? So for safety reasons, I think I'm gonna get them some glow necklaces or something. And they also are gonna have flashlights, but every kid is gonna have flashlights. So I wanna make sure that I can see mine, like 1, 2, 3, 4, there they are, and I won't stress, and I can enjoy the bonfire and enjoy the company, and we're just all really excited. Ren, are you ready? We gotta go. We have such a busy day, so let's go. Right here, I found them. Score. I think I'm gonna get the big ones so the kids can roast them. And they're on sale. Should we get 2 actually? Yeah. All right, let's go. What do you have?
I have these.
Marshmallows. Me and Ren are back from running errands, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little bonfire haul. I got some vegan graham crackers. This is the only brand I could find without honey in it. So if you're looking for vegan graham crackers, there you go. Nabisco's got you covered. And there's actually not any artificial flavors or anything in them. I mean, let's be real, they're not on it. They're not. Let's be honest, they're not healthy, but they are vegan. So I got a couple of those, and I got some vegan marshmallows for vegan s'mores, and there's a lot of good vegan chocolates out there, but they're pretty expensive. So I basically just bought the cheapest dark vegan chocolates I could find. I don't know how well they're gonna melt for s'mores, but we'll see. I also got glow stick necklaces for the boys as promised. I just got them 1 each. This is not something we buy all the time, but I feel like it's important on nighttime beach outings for safety. So we got that. I also got, just because they were on sale, buy one, get one. What? Organic strawberries, and these were buy one, get one too, with, of course, you guys know, we love this stuff. So I also got 2 of these, and I'm also making my vegan Mexican layer dip from my summer picnic vegan potluck video. I'll link it below if you want the recipe. It is so good. So I got avocado, lime, and some blue corn chips. That is our beach haul. All right, so I'm gonna get started on the Mexican layer dip. This is the secret ingredient for good vegan cheese sauce. While I do that, I've got the boys all set up with like books about the moon and the solar system, and you already saw that they did their puzzle this morning. I told them yesterday that we got a new solar system puzzle and they get to do it, and like before I even got out of bed this morning, they were already on it. So that's done. But they're just gonna chill in there with some books. Me or T might read some with them, like in between, you know, cooking steps. So this Mexican layer dip is so easy. As you guys already saw, I bought some refried beans, and basically I'm just gonna layer that with some cheese sauce, and I'm gonna leave the recipe for that down below. Super easy. Just layer cheese sauce, beans, guac, salsa, and put some nice little adornments on top, and you're good to go.
Hi, I'm Luna. Let's go on a musical journey through our solar system.
What's Luna?
Moon.
Yeah. Ren, are you gonna see the moon tonight? On the beach?
Moons are objects that orbit planets instead of orbiting the sun. Earth has only 1 moon.
What's that?
I wonder what the moon looks like tonight.
Are we gonna have a crescent moon tonight or a full moon?
Full moon.
You're right. Are you gonna look through the telescope just like this guy?
Yeah.
The moon, a natural space object that orbits a planet or other object like an asteroid. So what planet does our moon orbit?
Oh.
Earth. Sometimes the moon looks like a big circle in the sky, and we call this
A full moon.
a full moon. You're right, Flinny. The moon is made of mountains and rocks and dust. Does the moon always look like a circle, like a big round ball in the sky?
No.
No. But does it actually change shape?
Yeah.
It does? Or does it just look different?
It's different.
Yeah, it looks different. But does anybody remember why it looks different?
Because the sun shines on part of it and not the other part.
All right, D. Awesome. I think you're right. Let's find out. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. This book we can bring with us and share with the kids in our group. It's called The Night Sky, and it kind of tells you like all the different things that you can look at with a telescope. Since we're bringing our telescope, we might be able to find some of the things in this book. Moons orbit or travel around planets. How many moons do we have? How many moons does Earth have?
1.
1. High five. Now their feet no longer touch the ground. They're out in space. They float around. But why do they float around in space?
Because there's no gravity.
No gravity. Who knows what sand is made out of? Do you remember?
Rock.
What?
Little bits of broken up rock and shell.
Rock and shell? Yeah, definitely shell. Look closely at a handful of sand and you'll see that it's made of tiny chips of rock and seashell. High five, dude. You're totally right. The pieces of rock come from cliffs that have been broken up by the rain and sea. The shells are washed in by the tide and crushed by the pounding wave. What's it called when land and rocks and dirt are washed away by water? What is that called? Do you remember? We did the experiment in the backyard where we like built a landscape. You remember that? And then we poured water over it. And what's that called?
Erosion.
Erosion. Heck yeah. It's called erosion. How big is the ocean? What do you guys think? When you look out, like tonight when we're on the beach and you look out at the ocean, how big does it look?
It looks endless.
It looks really big. It looks endless.
Mm-hmm.
I agree with you. It does. But is it endless?
No.
No. What's on the other side of oceans usually?
A different part of the world.
A different part of the world. Heck yeah, Dee. Do you guys remember which ocean is ours? Do we live on the Pacific or the Atlantic coast? Yes! High five. You're totally right, bro. Since we're so busy today, I'm not taking time to prepare like a separate lunch. Dylan helped me cut up some peppers and onions and cilantro, and I just made like a little taco bowl for everyone basically. It's just potatoes, black beans, peppers, cilantro, and some of this cheese sauce that I made. And if you saw my 10 vegan confessions video, this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Like, veganism doesn't have to be hard. On busy days, just throw together whatever you had. I had extra potatoes for making the cheese sauce. I had extra cheese sauce because I made a huge batch. And then I just opened a can of black beans. So super simple, super nutritious lunch, and we're all gonna have a bowl. So normally when Ren takes a nap, we would do like normal homeschooling worksheets or workbooks or projects at the kitchen table, but since today is kind of like a special homeschooling day and we're specifically going to do a beach bonfire, we're doing like a whole moon study today and like solar system study. So instead of doing worksheets today, the kids are gonna watch some SciShow Kids on YouTube after they stop dancing. They're gonna watch some SciShow Kids on YouTube, which if you haven't checked out SciShow Kids, I'll link some of their stuff down below. It's just like a super informative, kid-friendly learning and science channel. So we're gonna watch Why Does the Moon Change? Where did the moon come from? What is the moon like? Things like that.
Earth's moon, the best. But have you ever wondered where it came from? Lots of scientists have wondered about that too. And they think it had to do with a huge crash. The cool thing astronomers have learned by studying them is that some rocks on the moon are a lot like rocks on Earth. The bright part of the moon appears to grow and then shrink from right to left. The different shapes that we see of the lit up part of the moon are called phases. And there are 8 phases of the moon.
When we go out, I always pack food in like a little cooler. I've got all of the snacks for the bonfire tonight in here. And look at this bag, to the moon and back. Literally so perfect. I got this at the thrift store for $2. And I just put a bunch of the kids, like some extra dry clothes in there for them, some diapers and wipes, and some towels. So we are so ready to go. Okay, all the food is done, and now we just need to pack the car. We're on our way to the beach and the weather is literally perfect. Usually when you're on the beach at night, it's like freezing cold, but I think it's gonna be just perfect weather. We had to make a pit stop for flashlights, and we should be there in about 5 minutes. We're gonna start setting up maybe 20 or 30 minutes before everyone else gets there, and we are super excited. We made it. Nana, is it too foggy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go see how foggy it is. You blow on me.
My turn?
Yeah. Nice one. What's his name? Oh.
Maybe